Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 7. How are you all? I hope you are all well. Here we are with your homework of second week. Your first subject is English. Class book, you have to do oral work, revise all copy work and workbook for your exams. Then workbook activities, unit number 1, page 4, reading. Read up on it. Give it reading to this topic. Then check up. Question number 1, answers are given. A, B, C parts, their answers are given. You have to do that on your workbook. Then question 2, 3, 4, 5. All their answers are given over here. You have to do that on your workbook. Page number 5, build up. Their questions are solved here. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then part 2, make words from the word part. Then question 3, match the definitions with the words. Do it yourself. Then question number 4 is unscramble the vocabulary words. And words are given up here. Page number 6, grammar. Do it yourself. Then number 2, sentences. They are given here. Question number 3, put the nouns in correct column. Do it yourself. Question 4, answer is given here. Then page number 7, question 1 and 2. These are answers are given here. You have to do it yourself. Page number 8, conversation. Part 1, 2. You have to do it by yourself. Then page number 9. Write it up. Give it a reading. And then do the part by yourself. You have to do all these activities and you have to also learn them as well. Come to the next subject, which is computer, week 2, unit number 4. You have to do reading. Then you have to do MCQs. You have to solve these MCQs on your book. Answers are given here. Then short question answers. Answers are given here. You have to do them on your neat notebook. These are also the parts of short questions. Part A, B, C, D. You have to do all these on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. And you have to draw the structure of an HTML document from page number 135 on your neat notebook. Come to next subject, which is social studies. Chapter number 16. And the topic is the road to independence. You have to do reading of this chapter and then you have to do the written work of this chapter. Questions and their answers are mentioned over here. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. And their answers are also mentioned over here. You have to write them on your neat notebook. Then short question answers are also mentioned over here. Question number 1, 2, 3. Their answers are also mentioned over here. You have to do all these work on your neat notebook and you have to learn them as well. And you have to revise unit number 3 full also. Okay, your next subject is science. Unit number 3, light and sound. The topic is making sound, which is on page number 55, and you have to do exercise questions on your neat notebook. Exercise questions and their answers are also mentioned over here. Some answers are mentioned in dotted form. You have to write them in full form. Question number 2, you have to draw a diagram. Then next topic is vibrating to produce the sound, which is on page 55. You have to do their question on your neat notebook. Next topic is pitch and music, which is on page number 56. And its questions, exercise questions and answers are mentioned over here. You have to write them on your neat notebook. Next topic is when it is hit slowly, which is on page 56. Questions and answers are mentioned over here. You have to write them on your neat notebook and learn them as well. Next topic is using your ears, which is on page number 57 and 58. Its Questions and answers are also mentioned. You have to write them on your neat notebook. You have to write all these questions on your neat notebook. You have to do your work neatly, and you have to learn them as well, and do practice of all the diagrams relating to this unit. Okay, your next subject is Maths. Week 2, page number 69, unit number 5. Question 7, part 1 is solved over here, and you have to do remaining part by yourself. Question number 8, part 1 is solved here, and you have to do remaining part by yourself. Question number 9, part 1 is solved here. You have to do the remaining parts by yourself. Then come to question 12. Solution is given over here. Question 13 is solved here, and remaining parts you have to do by yourself. Then come to next MCQs. Question number 1, answers are given over here. You have to do them on your book. Then come to next unit, which is unit number 6 and exercise 6. You have to do question 1, 2, 3 on your book, because these are objective type questions. And then question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, you have to do them on your neat notebook, and remaining parts are given you to do by yourself. Your next subject is Islamiyat. اسلامیات کا ہفتہ دوم کا کام آپ کا سبق ہے رسالت کی ضرورت اور اہمیت. سبق کی پڑھائی کرنی ہے، اور پھر اس کا سوچیں اور بتائیں کہ جوابات یہاں پہ آپ کو دیے گئے ہیں وہ آپ نے اپنی نیٹ نوٹ بک پر کرنے ہیں. اس کے بعد سرگرمی دی گئی ہے جو کہ صفحہ نمبر 12 سے ہے، وہ آپ نے خود سے کاپی پر کرنی ہے. پھر مشق دی گئی ہے جو کہ آپ کی بک کے صفحہ نمبر 13 پر ہے، اور اس کے جوابات آپ کو ڈاٹڈ فارم میں دیے گئے ہیں، وہ آپ نے اپنی نیٹ نوٹ بک پر کرنی ہے. اس کے بعد آپ کو دعائے قنوت یاد کرنی ہے، اور پھر سوال نمبر 2 کا جواب دیا گیا ہے جو کہ صفحہ نمبر 14 پر ہے، یہ آپ نے لکھنا ہے. اس کے بعد اللہ تعالیٰ کے صفاتی نام یاد کرنے ہیں، اور چند صفاتی نام مطلب کے ساتھ کوئی سے بھی 30 اپنی کاپی پر لکھنے ہیں. پھر حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم کے صفاتی نام یاد کرنے ہیں. اس کے بعد سورۃ الناس اور سورہ فلق یاد کرنی ہے. سبق ہے اسلام میں حلال و حرام کا تصور، اس کی سرگرمی یاد کرنی ہے. اس کے بعد آ جاتا ہے سبق سورۃ الانفال، اس کے پہلے 3 سوال یاد کرنے ہیں. اور سبق حضرت یعقوب علیہ السلام کی سرگرمی جو کہ صفحہ نمبر 50 پہ ہے، وہ یاد کرنی ہے. اگلا سبجیکٹ ہے آپ کا اردو اے. سبق ہے میرے ابا جان، اس کی پڑھائی کریں گے، اور اس کے بعد سوالات کے جوابات آپ نے اپنی کاپی پہ لکھنے ہیں جو کہ صفحہ نمبر 29 پر ہے، اور ان کے جوابات آپ کو یہاں دیے گئے ہیں. اس کا سوال نمبر 1 کا جواب یہاں آپ کو مینشن کیا گیا ہے. سوال نمبر 2 کا جواب آپ نے خود اپنی کاپی پر کرنا ہے. اس کے بعد سوال نمبر 3 کا جواب بھی یہاں پر آپ کو کر دیا گیا ہے، اور وہ بھی آپ نے یہاں سے دیکھ کر لکھنا ہے. اس کے بعد سوال نمبر 4، 5 کے جوابات بھی یہاں پر مینشن ہیں، وہ آپ نے اپنی نیٹ نوٹ بک پر کرنے ہیں. پھر آ جاتے ہیں صفحہ نمبر 30. اس کے بعد سوال نمبر 5 کا جواب بھی یہاں دیا گیا ہے. صفحہ نمبر 30 کا سوال نمبر 3 وہ آپ نے خود کاپی پر کرنا ہے، اور سوال نمبر 4 کا بھی کتاب پر خود حل کرنا ہے. یہ سارے سوالات آپ نے اپنی نیٹ نوٹ بک اور کاپی پر حل کرنے ہیں اور یاد بھی کرنے ہیں. So students, that was all about your homework for second week. I hope you have understood all them very well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.